Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you Sea Ray's 2023 400 SLX. What a great model this is. It's one of the coolest boats that we sell. They're now powered by the twin Mercury V12, 600 horsepower. It's just, these motors are just incredible. They're a pleasure to drive. The joystick now operates just the lower unit, so the motors stay straight all the time. You can go sideways and you can't even tell that the motors don't move. It's just the lower unit. So very cool feature on this boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we're on board the 400 SLX. Again, the 600s, amazing, American made. Huge lounger in the back. You can put a half a dozen adults here. Very, very comfortable, very, very cool. And they make this boat with an inboard outboard as well. So if you don't have the outboards, you have the inboard outboard. There's an engine in here, but when we have the outboards, we've got huge storage in here. So you can keep all kinds of things down here, fenders, lines, beach toys, all that kind of stuff. Real convenient here. And then also as I move around, I could take this, slide this around, and then I can lower this. I can't do it because we're at the dock, but I've got a control here. This goes all the way down, so it's like it's a patio. And so you can hang out over here, and then you can lounge facing this way. So if you got people swimming over here, it's very versatile, very, very cool feature on this. And let's hop on board into the rest of it. So really nice size. You got L-shaped seating all the way around, storage underneath. Beautiful teak table, folds up in half if you only want to use half of it. So just gorgeous. It's unfinished. You can seal it or oil it if you want to. Then you've got your galley. So I've got twin grills, so you can host a lot of people on here. We've got a sink. You've got twin refrigerators, both with freezers. You've got trash in here as well. So just as far as a galley is concerned, very, very nice. This board will go all the way to the back. So, you know, if you're hanging out in the back and you don't want the sun, the shade goes all the way out, so it keeps the sun off your face, which some people like it, some people don't. But if you don't want the sun, does a great job on it. It does have a moon roof that opens up, so again, you want the sun, it will come in at night when you're hanging out. You can see the stars up here, which I think is very, very cool. And let's move up towards the helm area. So I've got a double seat right here, and this will also spin around. So I've got a latch right here. This spins around, and now you've got a 360 seating right here, which is, again, a lot of, you can put, you know, a dozen people comfortably sitting in here, a dozen adults, which is very nice. Then at the helm, you've got everything. Everything you need is here. So I've got the Simrads, which is top of the line. They're beautifully recessed in here. So we're going to do this. You get your chart plotters. I can put depth on here. I can split the screens. I can have 4 different screens up here, which gives you everything you're going to need. You get the Fusion stereo, then digital throttle and shift, and you also have the Seakeeper. It's probably one of the best parts on the boat. If you're out into, you know, a lot of times when you're doing this, it doesn't get people sick. It's the rolling back and forth. So Seakeeper takes about 90% of the roll away, so it just teeters a little bit one way, teeters a little bit back, and it's just what I wish. I've been doing this 19 years. I wish we had them 19 years ago. So it's one of my favorite parts of the boat. Then you've got the joystick, and so the joystick does everything, especially again with the new motors and just the lower unit goes. You know, you'll be pulling into a marina or a restaurant, whatever, and I can just move it sideways, and the engines are staying straight, and the boat will go sideways right on in. So it's you'll look like a real hero, and people trying to figure out how you did it. So, and it also has the sky hook. So I'm going to a slip. I get a slip assignment, again, marina or restaurant, that type of thing. And so it's a starboard side tie. I hit the sky hook. It locks me with the GPS, so it's going to keep me within a 10-foot radius. I get up. I put the lines out. I put all my fenders out. I take my time. I don't have to worry about the boat moving, hitting something, moving into shallow water, that type of thing. It just keeps me locked in. When I'm all done, I take the sky hook off. I use the joystick, brings me right on in, and it just doesn't get any easier. Lastly, it's got the auto heading on it. It's a autopilot is what it is, so it's a point and shoot. So it's got a little line that'll come out, and wherever you want to go, you just point the bow at it, and the line goes out, and you just hit the button, and it just takes you right there. So if I'm going down to the Keys from here, it's a 3.5-hour ride. Once I get out the pass, I aim it at Key West, the outside marker. I hit the button. Now I can enjoy the rest of the ride and enjoy myself all the way down. Just still keeping an eye on what's happening here, but be part of the conversation as well. So my enjoyment factor is so much more with this system. I really, it's again another one of my favorite parts of the boat. Let's go down below and see the cabin. Here we are down in the cabin. We're going to start over. They've got a convection oven actually, right off to the side. A third refrigerator right in here. A little bit of ice. Screen TV, Samsung, which is nice. And then you got a very comfortable. You can put a half a dozen adults in here playing cards, hors d'oeuvres. It's air conditioned down here, so if it's hot out, it's you're very comfortable. It's if you want to get out of the heat, come down, just take a break. Again, have something to eat, and it'll also turn into a bed. So if you take it into a place and you want to sleep on the boat, you get the generator running, piece of cake. You can comfortably stay down here. You've got a really nice head. So it's got a vessel sink. You've got the electronic the vacuum flush head there, which is top of the line on that. Styling is very nice. We do have a skylight on the top, which actually gives you natural lighting, which makes it less claustrophobic down here, which I happen to like a lot. And then you've got the mid cabin. So mid cabin is actually very large. You could put, realistically, you could put 3 very comfortable adults in here. You can put 4 kids back in there. Not that you want 4 kids necessarily, but it's got plenty of room for if you want that. And it's just a great all-around boat for a day boat. I mean, so if it does everything outside, great, but it also gives you a nice inside. Let's hop up and see the bow. Here we are up in the bow. Really comfortable bow up here. You can put 3 to 4 adults very comfortably up here. Armrests, place for drink holders, place to charge your phones. It does have the sea deck all throughout the boat, which really it's really comfortable under your feet. It looks very sharp, especially with the color scheme on the boat. And so 4 adults here, another 2 there. So you can put 8 adults comfortable. We can put a table in here for entertaining wise. So you get the big table in the back, another table in the front. You've got the windlass recessed, so if you do need to go off the bow of the boat for any particular reason, it's recessed, no trip hazard. Get a little shower if you do have sand on your feet or salt. You can rinse that off up here as well. Boat does have a Simrad radar on it, so that's all you need. It's a 24-mile range, and it just has everything. And it does everything well, and it rides great, especially with the Seakeeper. So if you've got any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.